Yes, that is something I
This is
wanted
also
to
I've seen.
tell
People
you.
fake it also. Don't fake.
Fake it also.
So
Yes.
say sincerely.
Hi.
And
Welcome back.
welcome back, Megha. Okay. So I wanted to tell you this. Are you able to hear me, Megha?
Yes, right now I am, but sometimes your voice just drops and your screen gets frozen. Yeah, it's happening.
Very bad.
Okay. Yes, right now I can hear you.
Yeah. All good, right? So see, I think
Yes.
what I have perceived most of the time
Mm-hmm.
when I meet different learners on this platform,
Mm-hmm.
and initially when I had made up my mind to join this platform
Mm-hmm.
and render my services, so one of the differentiators about this platform was that this platform houses friendly speaker partners.
Yes.
You have to realize that I have done my international certification in language training, which I had told you, and one of the basic philosophy is always make the learner feel comfortable. Especially, there is a concept of which I'll tell you. You will find it interesting, and you can, since you do a lot of sessions with your learners, this can become a game changer for you. That's why I said I'll speak on this session.
All right.
There is something called affective filter. I'm writing it in the chat box for you. Google it sometimes, but I'll definitely, if you really want to know more about it, but I'll tell you what is this all about in the world of learning and teaching. Okay, madam?
Okay. I'm all set.
Wonderful. Imagine if you're a tea lover, so then you must have prepared tea many times. And once the tea is ready, then while you are pouring into the cup, you use a sieve. Initially, the flow is more, and as the tea reduces, the flow becomes lesser, right?
Yes.
Compare this with a learner who is getting started to learn a language. It is not about English. It is about any language, Megha.
Okay.
So they have a filter which affects their learning. So that is called a psychological barrier. For example, moment they see Megha as a smiling, friendly teacher, they feel comfortable. Okay, now they are ready to open up. Imagine you are coming. Okay, open page number 42 and let's begin this lesson. We have seen teachers like this in our school, right?
Yes.
And also, imagine somebody walks up to you. Aapko itna bhi nahi aata hai? You do not know even this also. This is basic, right? You should have known this. These kind of teachers also I have met in my life.
Yes.
And then there is a separate category who feels that everybody knows everything under the sky, which they also know. That is also a different category. And they'll try to, put things. I'm so sorry, Megha. I'm saying that they try to, project, and they try and give this impression that you are expected to know all these things, even if you have come to learn.
Yes.
So why I am saying all this, Megha? I always used to tell my teachers in my training that never ever imagine or assume anything about your learner.
Okay.
And always create an environment and an atmosphere so that learner always feels safe, protected, trusted. So that they can come and tell you everything. कुछ भी कह सकते हैं आपसे.
Yes.
And that's when the affective filter of there is lower. And when the affective filter is lower, Megha, learning is happening at its best. But if the affective filter is high, acha, this teacher will ask me now these things. She looks very serious. She may ask me difficult questions. She seems to be a very learned person. I don't know. The affective filter is high.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what is the, so if I have to cut the long story short, so this long story short is, as a tutor, teacher, or a facilitator, your job is to lower the affective filter always.
Got you.
So maybe if you're meeting a learner who's coming for the first time, so you can always begin with topics and find that common link and area of interest between you and the learner. I'm giving you some secret tips.
Okay.
You see, most of the time, if you are meeting a female learner and she's wearing something nice, you can say that I like your dress genuinely. Yeah, don't say enough, don't fake it.
Yes. That is something I.
This is also I've seen people fake it also. Don't fake.
Fake it also.
So say sincerely, and the person on the other side will get to know if you're sincere or not. I'm telling you.
Yes. And this is something called aura.
Yeah.
Right? When we say aura, when we say the person has a beautiful aura, that exactly means, I mean, we can sense without meeting that person before.
Okay. Yeah. And that's what I said. And so when you're serious, sincerely complimenting someone, they'll get to know Megha.
Yes.
Yeah, I
so you
remember.
Have watched my. I am telling you, just go through few videos of mine.
Sure.
And observed carefully, and then tell me more how to make sessions more effective. As I have learned,
I think
from my own experience is your smile and praising, compliments, and humor in between the conversation. These are very important factors.
Yes.
Also, as a learner, what I have learned by my own experience is, see, I am facing two kind of situations. Deliberately, I go as a learner.
Wonderful.
I can behave as a speaker, I mean, equal speaker, but I go as a learner. I make my mindset in this way because I want to learn more. Wonderful. But when I take sessions, I prepare for my topics. I prepare for questions, words, and then this is my preparation. But when I take sessions with learners or with other people, I just told you as a learner, but I took sessions as a people. I mean, I'm not saying that I am a teacher or they are learners. Just sharing your opinions, thoughts, try to articulate your thoughts, whether it is incorrect or correct. So this is my intention, and by doing this, I'm practicing for myself. At the same time, the other people, the other side, other parties also getting some benefits from it. So this is something, but I'm telling one more thing. See, psychology, you have talked about psychology. So it's very important to have a very, positive mindset when you take session, when you go for sessions. As a learner, I'm saying as a learner. So even I used to feel uncomfortable. I used to feel nervousness a lot when I joined Clapingo. Then after taking lots of sessions, I talk to myself, okay, Megha, they are speakers. Okay, they are tutors, they are speakers. But you need to show your confidence, whether you are correct or incorrect in terms of having knowing about language. Why I'm saying that English language is a bit different from other skills. I got this comment from one tutor. I was speaking something about my own experience. Okay, so when I speak my heart, okay, you make correct or you may give some other phrases to rephrase my sentences in order to have advanced sentences.
Correct,
But
correct.
when like this, or you need to say this, you need to say this, so don't put words in my mouth. What I feel, I will say. What I don't feel, I can't say. Don't say your feelings, or don't say your thinking or your expression about topics. So I got this comment from one. Even I am learning a language, and I know what is the pain of learning this language. So then I told that tutor that, okay, learning English is a bit different. Learning if you ask me, learn French, learn other language, it's a bit easy for me. I will not face any nervousness, any inferiority complex, or any fear. I will speak like anything. But when it comes to learn this language, it is a bit different. I have confronted so many people, even they know very good English, they are facing those emotions, nervousness and hesitation and fear.
True
So
that.
that's
True, completely true that. And
so this is my
I have met such people, Megha, and so I always feel for them. And the first thing that you need to do, Megha, always make the person. I'll tell you something. This is secret number 2. So always remember, Megha, as humans, there has to be some sense of achievement.
That's true.
If I give you a task where you know, and I'm sure you will be able to do this, but I just twist the task a bit. But moment you feel, you say, "Yay, I've done it!"
Yes.
So see, your affective filter has already lowered, and your engagement goes up high. Now, see, I hope you've understood, right?
Yes, I understood. Like the practice we did.
Sorry.
To pig out. The practice we did to
Absolutely.
pig out.
So I knew this, that you will know.
Yes.
Definitely I knew this, that you will know, because you have been taking sessions, you are doing all these things. But yeah, so you have understood now, right?
Yes.
All secrets are out.
Okay, so I have one question. Okay, please. What makes a speaker or tutor, or whatever the wordings we have, different? Yeah. Like when I confront other tutor, I feel less comfortable. Okay, I feel, okay, this tutor is not good, I don't need to take session with her or him.
Oh, really?
Okay, yeah, it comes in my head. Okay. It comes in my head. Okay. And there are many tutors, I feel like I keep talking with them without thinking about grammar, without thinking of correct English, incorrect English. No, I just want to express my thoughts. I just want to listen to the other party or to the other side. So it happens, and I have huge experience about this. But tell me, what things make this kind of difference? I think I have. I think. Yes, you have told me. But yeah, those who are very good command in this language, and they are correcting you in between the conversation continuously, they are very good when it comes to have be an expert in their field. But the other part I'm talking about, what makes it different? Yes, it completely depends upon. I think there is a sense of comfort that needs to come in first. That's the most important factor, even before the language, I feel, Megha. Which you call, in other words, which you have already expressed, I think, earlier conversation on this conversation, it's all about the vibes. So moment you come in, irrespective of the gender, you get a vibe. And that vibe, I think that is more natural rather than artificial. You'll be able to spot on from a distance that,
Okay. Oh, I get a positive vibe, right? So I think, Megha, if you ask me personally, if I have to relate to exactly to your question, whenever I have felt comfortable, the first thing which I have realized is the vibe.
So do you feel uncomfortable while confronting different learners?
Never,
Sometimes.
never, Megha. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because my mindset is completely different, actually. You have to understand.
Yes.
I'll tell you the first one. What is my mindset? Which will never allow me to get into that. I feel that person needs me the most. That's why he or she has come. That means if I'm thinking like that, oh, this is not good, the conversation is not going to be very interesting, you know, it will be very dull, mundane and boring. So that is again my thought, Megha. So I will not rather tell my brain to move into that direction. And this will only happen, Megha, if you have a real, should I say, attitude of genuinely helping and sincerely helping others.
In short term, we could say that if you are a genuine person, a good human being within you,
So yeah, I think the person has to be human first.
Yes.
Irrespective of good or bad. So everybody has got a definition, Megha, but you know, I think there has to be a human angle. The human angle is all about senses. Human angle is all about sensitivity. So if I'm not if I'm not sensitive to you, Megha, then that means I am ignorant. I am just concerned and bothered about myself.
Or maybe people are more self-centric. That is also one of the reasons.
Yeah, that's what. The moment you are ignorant means that means you are bothered about yourself. Your world centers around you only.
Yes. Okay, one more thing I just want to tell you, that facial expression also matters a lot.
But genuine, huh?
Genuine. I mean, sometimes tutor don't say a single word, but by their facial expression, they speak a lot of things.
Oh,
and
yes.
the very moment,
yes,
learners get affected by it.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I think those, I say, they are non-verbal cues, actually. And we can talk about it sometime if we meet again, that there is so much into that, which I talk to people about this, that even if you don't talk, and for this moment, if I come and lean forward, and I don't talk to you and I just look at you, then also you are waiting, right?
Yes.
But there is so much of positivity, it still goes on.
Yes.
You have to become skilled at this. You have to take a command on this, and that will only happen over a period of time.